And I promised in an earlier video I would try to capture this. It's my aloe vera blossom. This is not something that I've ever got to see before. So I hope you enjoyed as much as I did. I think it's rather pretty. You can see these down here are old and starting to die off, so I'm glad I got out here. There it is. The infamous aloe vera blossom. So these are the first roses of spring on my place. This is a heritage rose. Roses do really well in the cross timbers. The family that the plant family they come from are well represented in the ecosystem. I would advise if you get roses to get either double petal or single petal. They'll work better for the native pollinators. But pretty much any old rose will do. And I can tell you, yes, it smells quite beautiful here. I have several rose bushes on the property. These are just the first to go off. See the pollinators. And down inside. Really sweet smelling rose. Let's see here. Got another bush. I need to trim some of these trees back so they can grow more upright, but you get the idea.